Hey guys, what's going on? So I have my Texas decal, and I'm gonna show you. This is the windshield decal, and I'm gonna show you how to install it, guys. This video is gonna be very easy, very quick, and very short. So first thing you want to do, guys, it's you're about to get this sticker, the decal, out of the paper. Okay. So the way to do it is you're gonna have two arrows right here, one arrow right here, one arrow pointer right here, and using those arrows you're just gonna pull the sticker out. Okay, very easy. Don't be afraid. Now you have the blue sticker. Okay, blue sticker, and then the decal. All right, so what I want you to do is tap it on your shirt, on your pants a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna tap it in this towel right here a little bit. This is just a towel, paper. Yeah. Now it still has some glue, but it's not gonna be as crazy as if I just apply it straight from it, because the glue that they put in these decals is very strong, and when it's time for you to replace it next year, it's gonna be a little bit difficult. So let's go. Let me show you how to do it. So now, stay right there. Now I'm gonna use my right hand, and I'm gonna kind of maneuver right here. I'm gonna step through the outside of the vehicle. Kind of gonna look. I'm gonna look at where I want to put it, and thing right here is good. So I'm gonna put it on top of the BMW decal. Perfect. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not gonna put everything in. I'm gonna leave it like that. Then I'm gonna go outside and look at it. Happy. Love you. That's kind of cool. So right now the location where it's at, I kind of don't I don't like it, you know. So I'm just gonna remove it a little quick. You see how it went off? Very easy. Then I'm gonna go towards the corner. Right here in the corner, I'm gonna do one side first. You see, I'm using my middle finger to like glue it on the bottom. I'm using my thumb to keep the everything from getting stick. Oh, I don't want you to go through. Perfect. I'm gonna go outside real quick. Check again. Yeah, that's where I want it. Perfect. Good enough. Now that I think it's good, now I'm gonna use two fingers. Okay, bottom to top. Perfect. 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 That is amazing. That went through perfect, 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 guys. And just like that, I'm gonna clean it a little bit. That's my sticker. Let me show you. Show you how it works. Man, that thing is sexy. You see? Sexy, sexy. Perfect. All right, guys. Take care. Take care of one another. See you in my next video.